Hello students and welcome back to BankExamsToday.com. My name is Ramandeep Singh. Students, IDBI has released a notification for Junior Assistant Manager profile and today we are launching the power capsule for this exam. इसमें 1000 questions हैं. There are 1000 questions with explanations. सारे important topics को हमने MCQ की format में compile कर लिया है. Right now there are 1000 questions and we are going to add 600 more questions in this power capsule. Just go through it and आपका exam जो है वो 100% crack हो जाएगा, right? So there are total 1000 questions in the first edition and second edition would be provided for free and the future editions would be provided for free as well. So 600 questions would be added. Complete syllabus coverage in MCQ format. इसमें आपको RBI Circulars मिलेंगे, Union Budget Analysis, Banking Regulation Act, Negotiable Instruments Act, Priority Sector Lending, all the government schemes. Near about 100 questions are there from government schemes, Basel Norms, IBC, IRAC Norms, SIDBI Act 2002, then the General Awareness, Economy, Banking, Computer IT के questions हमने इसमें add करे हैं. Last 3 months of current affairs are added. Banking abbreviations are there, right? Right now इतना ही हमने add किया. We are adding more topics, right? So RBI Circulars, latest RBI notification, last 6 months of RBI Circulars MCQs we have added, including the Master Circulars. Union Budget के सारे questions हमने इसमें add कर दिए हैं. Tax benefits and incentives वाले सारे questions. Negotiable Instrument के सारे topics हमने add करे हैं. Priority Sector Lending के topics हमने add कर दिए हैं. Government schemes, CGTMSE, PMEGP, SIDBI के initiative for the MSMEs, Mudra Yojana, किसान क्रेडिट कार्ड एंड एवरीथिंग. बेसल नॉर्म्स हमने ऐड कर दिया है इसमें एंड देन आईबीसी के क्वेश्चंस हमने ऐड कर दिए हैं, फॉलोड बाय आईआरएसी नॉर्म्स विच इज़ अ मास्टर सर्कुलर बाय आरबीआई. वी हैव एडेड दैट एज वेल. सरफाइसी एक्ट भी हमने इसमें ऐड कर दिया है. फुल फॉर्म पर्पस की प्रोविजन सारी हमने इसमें ऐड कर दी हैं. जनरल इकोनॉमी, बैंकिंग अवेयरनेस एंड कंप्यूटर. So last 6 months के current affairs we have added banking news, committees, summits and conferences and computer awareness के questions हमने इसमें add करे हैं. Shortcut keys हमने add करी हैं. Abbreviations we have added that. So complete study material is available on BankExamsToday.com. Stay updated. Link to get this is available in the description. आप लिंक पे जाके लिंक पे क्लिक करिए and you will get the link to get this power capsule, right? And that's, I guess, all for today, students. If there is any doubt in your mind, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number. The list of our successful students in the past, all these students that took our courses in the past and they cracked their respective exams, and I'm really, really happy for them. So write us a 5-star review on Google Play. That's really, really important for us. This is the app icon. If there is any doubt in your mind, this is our WhatsApp number. Ask your doubts on WhatsApp and we are going to answer all your doubts. That's all for today, students. Thank you and have a very nice day. Bye-bye.